Thanks for buying Stain Solver. Here's how to use it to solve your stain and save your stuff. First, take 1 tablespoon of Stain Solver powder and mix it with 1 cup of hot water and stir until completely dissolved. Or, for bigger jobs, mix in the following amounts. Next, spray it on, pour it on, or soak the dirty item in your Stain Solver solution. Let the oxygen bubbles do their work for 30 minutes, making sure to keep the area wet the entire time. Keep in mind that some stains may take longer than others to come out, but if Stain Solver can remove some of your stain, it can remove all of your stain, given enough time. Sometimes, after letting Stain Solver work, you may have to give the stain a little scrub, but after that, it will come right out. Finally, rinse or blot with clear water and let dry. Have questions? Email us at help@stainsolver.com. And happy cleaning!